Rockaway Beach, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, 2012, June of 2012. That's the beauty of being off on Wednesdays and Thursdays. You got the whole beach to yourself. I am basically always going to take Wednesday and Thursday off. Awesome. Awesome. Beach is empty. The reason I like Rockaway Beach is because of the fact that you could see the water. When you're at Jones Beach, you're in the middle of a desert and you die. So psychologically, it has a very, very good effect on your mind because you can see the water, which has a cooling effect on you. It's not too bad. Pretty good today. Going in the water. I'm an experienced swimmer, lifeguard, so I don't see any lifeguards. I think they're up on top of the boardwalk now. This is pretty crazy. So they're on the beach. But it's a beautiful day here, June, and I will be going to the beach every weekend. As you can see, this is a weekday and it's pretty busy, but not that bad. So this is Jerry Sherrill reporting live from Rockaway Beach, Queens, New York. Have a pleasant day. I'm going swimming. Later.